Okay, well, today we're going to look at an air body saw. So what do you do when the blade on your body saw breaks? And you don't have any, and you need something, and you don't want to run out to the store and get any. And you really don't like the ones you buy anyway because they're just not very good. What do you do? Well, what you can do is take a hacksaw. Take a hacksaw blade, and you can just snip that into thirds or to whatever length you want. And they fit right inside your air body saw just perfectly. And then there you go, you're back in business. So just a nice tip, what to do when you run out of blades for your body saw, for your air saw. Chop up a hacksaw and they fit right in there. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See you next time.